and I welcome you in this video lesson. In this video lesson, we will be discussing about the chapter that is 1.4. Before we go through the text, it is necessary to go with the warming up activities, chit-chat activities, so that these activities will help you to understand the lesson or to understand the central idea of this lesson. In this warming up activity, we have chit-chat activity. Friends, we all come to the school, we all learn new things every day, and our parents and teachers do the same. It means they also try to teach you all the time new things for your life. This means we are pursuing something, we are in the pursuit of knowledge, we are our destination. So one day we will definitely reach at our destination and show the success to the parents and to the world. So friends, planning your career is not an easy task. You see, whenever you think about yourself, what will you become in your life, or what is your dream, then you may talk about different professions, but to set that profession as your goal is not an easy task. It's quite a difficult one, but we can reduce the distress by making a proper choice. Instead of living in the world of illusion, we should make a proper choice of our career. If we do what we love to do, the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. Yes, whatever we want to become, if it is decided right now, if you decide it now, then later you will definitely get, or you will definitely reach at the success. The following diagram shows important factors. This diagram shows the important factors to be considered while deciding, while confirming our career, while deciding our destination. We must consider these points. If you want to be something in your life, if you have decided your destination, your dream, then you need to go through these factors, and these are career factors. If we study, or if you observe these factors in your life, then it will be easy to choose your career. What are these career factors? Skills. Whatever you want to become, you must think about whether the skills are there with you or not. Then interest. You have to choose your career as per your interest. If you like to teach the students, then you can think of your interest and abilities. We must know ourselves. What can I do? It means what can I do better? Means you must know your abilities. Abilities, kshamata. Then personality traits. You should have that features within you. तुम्हाला ज्या पद्धतीचं करिअर निवडायचं आहे, ज्या पद्धतीचं तुम्हाला तुमचं करिअर निवडायचं आहे, त्या करिअरच्या माध्यमातून तुम्हाला तुमच्यामध्ये तसे पर्सनॅलिटी ट्रेट्स, म्हणजे समजा जर तुम्हाला एखादी गोष्ट लवकर शोधता येते, म्हणजे शोधण्याचं स्किल, किंवा काही संशोधन करता येतं, ते एक संशोधनाचं स्किल, किंवा छानशी गाणी गाता येतात, ते एक स्किलच आहे, छानसा तबला वाजवता येतो, ते पण एक स्किल आहे, किंवा तशी एक आपल्यामध्ये असणारा पर्सनॅलिटी ट्रेट्स आहे. म्हणजे आपल्या अंगामध्ये तशी गुणवैशिष्ट्ये जर असतील तर आपण त्या पद्धतीचं क्षेत्र आपलं करिअर म्हणून निवडलं पाहिजे. त्याचबरोबर डिमांड. त्या क्षेत्राला, आपण ज्या कार्यक्षेत्राला निवडू, त्या कार्यक्षेत्राला डिमांड असली पाहिजे, मागणी असली पाहिजे. नाहीतर ज्या ठिकाणी मागणीच नाही, समजा आजकाल जर तुम्ही पाहता, when you look in the society, so many D.Ed holders and B.Ed holders all are now unemployed. They do not have enough work to do. So what is happening? Unemployment is happening. And try to know the signs of the time. काळाच्या खुणा आपल्याला ओळखता आल्या पाहिजेत, आणि आपल्यामध्ये तशा प्रकारच्या डिमांड किंवा ज्या व्यवसायाला मागणी आहे ते व्यवसाय आपण निवडलं पाहिजे. देन फिनान्शियल गेन्स. Many times we are fascinated by the packages. आपल्याला वार्षिक मासिक अशा पद्धतीचे पॅकेजेस मिळतात काही नोकऱ्यांमध्ये, काही करिअरमध्ये. जर आपल्याला जर त्या पद्धतीने जर वाटू लागतं की आपल्याही करिअरमध्ये आपल्यालाही वार्षिक पॅकेजेस हे खूप मोठे मिळाले पाहिजे, विचार केला पाहिजे. फॅमिली, प्रोफेशन, त्याचबरोबर आपण आपलं करिअर निवडत असताना आपल्या फॅमिलीचा काय व्यवसाय आहे किंवा आपल्या फॅमिलीच्या व्यवसायांना ते पूरक आहे का, whether it suits to the family's previous profession or not, that is also need to be understood. Then future prospects means whether the profession, whether the career has its bright future or not. भविष्यामध्ये आपल्या त्या करिअरला चांगले दिवस येतील का नाही किंवा चांगले दिवस असतील का नाही, का बेरोजगार होत आपण अशा पद्धतीचं जर आपण कार्यक्षेत्र निवडलं तर आपल्याला म्हणजे एखाद्या वेळेस कसं असं कार्यक्षेत्र जर निवडलं ज्या कार्यक्षेत्राला आपल्याला भविष्यामध्ये भरपूर अशी मागणी असेल आणि भविष्यामध्ये आपल्याला तोटा हा सहन होणार नाही किंवा नुकसान होणार नाही. या सर्व गोष्टीचा विचार आपण या करिअर फॅक्टर्स मध्ये करावा लागतो. जेव्हा तुम्हाला तुमच्या आयुष्यामध्ये जर यशस्वी व्हायचं असेल तर या करिअर फॅक्टर्सचा, या घटकांचा तुमच्या करिअरमध्ये विचार असला पाहिजे. म्हणजे आई म्हणतात डॉक्टर हो, बाबा म्हणतात इंजिनियर हो. आपल्यामध्ये असणाऱ्या ज्या काही क्षमता आहेत, जे कौशल्य आहेत, ज्या पात्रता आहेत, ज्या पद्धतीचे गुणवैशिष्ट्य आपल्या अंगामध्ये आहेत किंवा त्या कामाला किंवा त्या व्यवसायाला मागणी आहे की नाही, त्याचबरोबर मागणी जरी असली तरी त्या व्यवसायातून आपलं घर चालेल का नाही, त्याचबरोबर ते जर कार्यक्षेत्र निवडलं तर आपल्या त्या कार्यक्षेत्राला कुटुंबाचं सहकार्य मिळेल की नाही किंवा कुटुंबाचा जो व्यवसाय, पारंपरिक व्यवसाय आहे किंवा कुटुंबामध्ये जे अधिकाधिक लोकांचा जे काम आहे त्या कामाला अनुसरून आपलं कार्यक्षेत्र आहे का. आणि त्याचबरोबर फ्युचर प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स म्हणजे भविष्याची आपल्याला ओळख असली पाहिजे. म्हणजे जे व्यवसाय, जे उद्योग आपण निवडू किंवा जी नोकरी आपण निवडू, ती नोकरी निवडत असताना त्याच्या भविष्यामध्ये होणाऱ्या फायदा आणि तोट्याची जाणीव आपल्याला असली पाहिजे. सो फ्रेंड्स, these things are very necessary to go with the career. Otherwise your career will not be there if you do not think about these factors. These factors make your career strong and you will be successful and you will be known as a smart boy. 21st century skills, it means as you know, we are living in the 21st century, and in this 21st century we also get many opportunities in our life, like mobile. The use of mobile is increasing, cyber crimes are happening, and you see, and nowadays the mining oil is also going to finish. There is no electricity still, so these are the sectors where research should be done. Research can be done, but if you go with these things and if you try to learn the skills of 21st century, then you will be able to achieve anything in your life. So friends, while deciding the career, we have to think about all these things in our life. Now come to the next activity, that is come to the next activity. The activity is acrostic. Acrostic, what is acrostic? You have learned this in when you were in 9th. Yes, acrostic. An acrostic is a form of writing. Where the first letters in each of the lines forms another word. म्हणजे acrostic म्हणजे अशी रचना की असं लेखन की त्या शब्दाचं अद्याक्षर, त्या अद्याक्षरामुळं पुढे अनेक शब्द त्या ठिकाणी तयार होतात, अनेक ओळी तयार होतात. याचे एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला FRIEND. फ्रेंड है की नाही? सो you look at this word FRIEND, friend. Now we can make an acrostic of this. You have that acrostic there, FRIEND. D. According to the acrostic, we can make we can compose the lines with the each letter. With the each letter, we can make the lines. F stands for faithful. Faithful. R for respectable. Respectable or reliant, you may say. I for inspiring. Inspiring. R for inspiring. E for encouraging. Encouraging. N for noble. Noble, udatto. And D for dependable. So friends, with the help of these words, we have constructed or we have composed an acrostic of this word. Acrostic here F stands for faithful, faithful, respectable, inspiring, encouraging, noble and dependable. When we look at this notion, this idea of friend or friendship, we come to know these qualities of the words. So in the same manner, we can also make an acrostic of the following words, like you can prepare your own acrostic of your dearest family member, name of your best friend, a quality or feeling, and the last is any profession, the profession that you have thought about you. Okay, now let's see the third activity. Say whether the underlined words in the following sentences are used as noun or verb or adjective. Friends, this activity can be solved orally. See here the very first example, that is, I walk to school every day. Here the word walk is underlined, but when you look at this word, you can use it. Can you identify the word, whether it is verb, noun or adjective? Just try to understand. We can decide the part of speech of each and every word from the language when you see verb is followed by the subject and adverb is followed by the verb. So in this way you can try to understand the part of speech or its word class. Okay, I walk to school every day. I go for a walk. They gave me a gift. You can gift her. So like this, these are the examples and you can solve it at home. So friends, after completing these warming up activity, let's think about the idea of smart people. Who is called smart? The people, those who look good. It means to be smart means not to look externally, but it is to be internally, means by the brain. When you think about your life, when you think anything with proper rules and regulation, there only then will be you are smart. And if you do not work with the logic, then you are not smart. So let's see. So friends, let's see the text now. Champions aren't made in gyms. What a fantastic quotation it is. The quotation is by Muhammad Ali, the world famous wrestler from USA, United States of America. Yes, according to him, champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision. तर मित्रांनो, मोहम्मद अली असं म्हणतात, actually it is not given here, but it is taken from one of his interviews. At that time he said that champions are made in the gyms. विजेते हे कोणत्याही फॅक्टरीत बनवले जात नाहीत. Champions are made in the gyms. म्हणजे कुठल्याही प्रकारचे चॅम्पियन, कुठलेही विजेते हे कुठल्याही जिम